Want to share your content with the world? In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to upload your video to YouTube. From adding a title and description to setting your video to public, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Open your browser and head over to youtube.com. Look at the top right corner of the page and click on the Create button, then select Upload Video. Browse and choose the video you want to upload. Enter a catchy title and a detailed description for your video. If you're new and need help, use ChatGPT. Just type, "Give me a suitable title, description, and tags for a video titled your video title." Copy the suggestions and paste them into their respective fields. Scroll down and add a custom thumbnail to make your video stand out. Decide if your video is suitable for kids by selecting yes or no in the Made for Kids section. Choose yes or no if your content has been altered as per YouTube's requirements. Select the language for your captions from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial. Select the category that best matches your video's content to reach the right audience. Click Next until you reach the final step. Decide if you want your video to be public, private, or unlisted, or schedule it for later. Hit the save button and that's it. Your video is now live on YouTube. Congratulations, you've successfully uploaded your video to YouTube. Start sharing it with your audience and keep creating amazing content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.